Hello friends, this is Tanmay Banerjee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel called Easy Learning Art with Tanmay. So friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated for the forthcoming videos. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to give me a like and also share the video with other people. Friends, I have named this picture as a new beginning. Uh, this picture signifies that life knocks us down many times. Life hits us many times. We fall down, but the choice is purely up to us that whether we want to stand up again or not, whether we want to make a comeback or not. This life is a constant fight. We need to fight always till the last breath of our life. But if we give up, then we are finished, we are over. So we should not give up at any given point of times. Many times life will become completely cloudy, it will be full of problems. You have to go through difficult times, bad breakthroughs, but you should not give up on your dreams, you should not give up on life, because God has blessed us with a beautiful thing that is called life, and we should live it to the fullest. We should not leave our hope, we should not give up on our hope. We should always hope that this dark night will get over soon and will overcome all the difficulties. So that is the meaning of this picture. This plant has come out under a very difficult circumstances. The sky is completely cloudy, the soil is not supportive, it is very hard to crack. Still the plant has found its way out, and it has come out. So that is the meaning of this picture.